Now let's create a mapper class to read the data from Elasticsearch. Okay, so let's bring the Eclipse IDE, and in our same project ER911 calls under source main Java, we have added another package to create a data pipeline from Elasticsearch to MapReduce. Okay, and the package is called ES to MapReduce. So let's open it, and there you can see we have three files. Let's first go over the mapper. Now this is the mapper class, and we are creating a new class called ES to MR mapper. Okay, and in this class we are passing inputs of key will be text and value will be map writable. As you remember, when we had created a MapReduce program for a data pipeline from SDFS to Elasticsearch, we had discussed that MapReduce should send the values in an object of type MapWritable to Elasticsearch. Okay, but when we are reading from Elasticsearch, then also we expect Elasticsearch to give the data in object of MapWritable type. Okay, so our input will be a key of type text, value will be MapWritable, and the output will be text key and text value. Okay, because we are going to save it in a file. Now under this we have created a function called map, and here again the input key is text, value is MapWritable, and we are using the context. So first thing, we are defining a separator. This is a delimiter for our final output file, and we also need to build a string. Okay, and that's why we are using object of class string builder. Okay, so next we have to just add different strings separated by delimiter and just save it in the file. Okay, so next we have to just append the values in this object. Now value will read the data from the map writable object. Okay, and pull its value and just append it with the separator, and it will do the same thing for all the fields we are pulling from Elasticsearch. So here we are only interested in zip, township, emergency, and details fields from our Elasticsearch index, and we want all of them to be in one line separated by a separator, which is a pipe. Okay, and all these values are coming from map writable object, which stores everything in key value pairs. So you can see it as each record comes with these four values. Okay. Finally, we write the entire string builder object and convert it into a string and save it as a record. So all these field values will be stored in one line. And then finally, we'll write it to the final output. In next class, I'll show you how to write the driver for it. I'll see you in the next class.